Hello, it has been seriously so long since I last vlogged. I can't even remember the last time I even took out this camera to record a video, but I just had the urge in me to vlog this week. I feel like there has been so many things going on in my life in the past, what, like 2 years, 2.5 years? I honestly don't even remember. I can't even believe it's been that long since I last posted a video on YouTube, but I have missed you guys. I want to do a full update because there is seriously so much. I am getting married, which is so exciting. I don't know if it'll focus. There we go. There's the ring. There she is in all her glory. Getting married. I got a dog, 2 years old now. What else has happened? I know I'm still in the same apartment, but literally life has just been like so fun, so different than when I last was vlogging on here. So I just want to take you guys through life again. You don't know, I've been primarily on like TikTok, Instagram. So if you were like, oh my God, where have you been? That's kind of where I've been. But I miss my YouTube fam. Like, this is where I started originally. Like, this was my bread and butter for a really long time, and I just want to start taking you guys through everything again, all of the beauty stuff, all of the life stuff. I want to take you through the wedding planning because that has been so fun and is just gonna get even better. Literally, I just like can't believe it. There's so much. So I want to do like a full get ready with me and like life update video. So if you guys have any questions, something that you want to know about wedding planning, anything, literally anything under the sun, leave a comment down below, and the next video I will try to do like basically like a life update. I already have some things that I want to update you guys on, but if you have any like specific questions, leave it down below. I cannot believe I'm talking to this vlog camera. It is so just crazy to me. Having our breakfast, some tea, and just a little parfait. I'm just sitting here kind of planning my to-do list for the day. I am going to meet my manager for lunch. I now have a manager also as well. That is like a new development. I signed with an agency, I think about 3-4 months ago. So it's relatively new, but it's been going well, and I haven't had time to meet with my manager in a few months. So we're gonna grab lunch today. We have that, and then I have a few videos to film. I also am going to the sample sale later, and then probably like a girls' night tonight. I also have like a few events this week, so some dinners, working out, just like all of the things. So I think this is gonna be a really fun weekly vlog. Like I said, I do want to do like a proper update, so that'll come, I think, probably the next video. If you guys have any questions, want to know where I've been, I will update you very soon. I want to show you guys my dog. His name is Beau. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen him already, but he is seriously the cutest thing in the world. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. They've never met you before. They've never met you before. Oh, thank you. He is a blonde mini dachshund. He is actually like not so mini. He is, I think, about like 17 pounds. So he's supposed to be like 11 or 12. Yeah, so he's just a little bit bigger, but we got him about 2 years ago now, which is just kind of crazy. But we've had him since he was a puppy, and now he's like getting big. Right? What an angel. He's been the light of my life literally for the past 2 years. So this is Beau. You're gonna see a lot of him. Such a cutie. And he has completely ruined our couch. I put this blanket down so that the couch doesn't get dirty. So this is what my couch looks like these days, having a child. It's a little bit later. I just finished getting ready for my lunch with my manager. I have to leave in about 10 minutes here. I don't have a car. Tyler actually took the car to the office today, so I'm going to have to Uber, which is not too bad. I have a few appointments that I have to do afterwards anyway, so it'll just be like a little me day. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quickly. I just got this beautiful scarf in. I'm sorry about Tyler's bike thing right there. Like, the bikes in the office kill me. Yes, there we go. Here's the outfit. Hopefully you can see that. Trash man is going by. Here is the outfit. I am wearing a black long sleeve top from This is my life. This black top is from CSB. It's kind of like a workout tank, but I also like to wear it as athleisure because it's just very comfortable. It's super flattering. Pants are custom vintage Levi's. Everyone is deciding to be loud right now and I just can't handle it. It's from Shop Allie Grace. She does custom Levi's and these are like fit to me to a T. They're just so perfect. The shoes, black loafers, and then I have on this black scarf. I love it so much. It looks like a vest, but it's literally a scarf. It just elevates this outfit in a way that just speaks to my soul. It's so good. It makes it a very extra outfit, but also just elevates it because I feel like this outfit is super simple, so it definitely needed a scarf. So that's the outfit. Jewelry is, I think these are also from TJ Maxx. And then I'm wearing this little black bag. I'm probably gonna throw on some black sunglasses. So that is the fit. I feel like it looks pretty good. I don't have like a good spot for mirror pics because the bike's like in the office. You guys have not seen this office at all. I need to do like an in-depth thing, but I will show you eventually. But this is my new little office situation. Built it all myself. We will get into it. Like I said, there's so many updates and stuff. Is this like leveling? I don't even know what's happening. Okay, I need to stop blabbing. We need to call the Uber and we need to go. Okay, you guys, it is the next day. I kind of fell off the vlog yesterday a little bit. I came home from the sample sale and then I kind of relaxed for a little bit and then went to dinner with a few of my girlfriends. Just wanted some like chill girl time, but I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from the sample sale. I want to do like a little haul. So I just got a few pieces. Sorry, there's kids in session, so it's a little bit loud. But I just got 3 pieces from the sample sale. I decided to just get white clothing because obviously I'm in my bridal era, so it's just like wearing a lot of white right now. The first thing that I got is this tunic. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna interlace some try-on videos that I took. This tunic, it's supposed to be a top and I got it in, what size? A size 4. It fits me like a little mini dress kind of, so I think that's how I'm planning to wear it. Maybe I'll wear like some Spanx underneath because it is a little bit on the shorter side. Is this top. I liked this. It felt a little bit different because it has this on the neckline. You can see that. Okay, there we go. This is like the neckline, so it's kind of like a little bit of a necklace, which is really cool, and then it has these open cutout. And then the last thing I got was this skirt, which I thought I got it in a size 4, but I guess I got it in a 6. May have to be taken in a little bit. It kind of fits like a little bit lower, which is not too bad, but again, I loved the material on this. It just feels a little bit different, kind of like boucle, but not like soft. Like it looks like it's gonna wear really well. We're having a sample sale in Beverly Hills. By the time I post this, I think it'll probably be over. But 260 sample sale is this company. They always basically have sample sales with just different brands. You can get a lot of the brand's clothings on a discount. A lot of the stuff that I got from the sample sale was like heavily discounted. So that's always great. I feel like bridal era stuff, like wedding wardrobe, it can kind of add up in terms of expenses. Things can get super expensive, especially if you have a lot of events and just a lot of things to do. You want to have like a good wardrobe, but also don't want to spend like an arm and a leg on it. So sample sales are a little hack to check out if you want like nicer quality things, but on a discount. I did that, had some dinner with my friends, which was so fun. I'm actually gonna eat some of those leftovers, but I want to get a little workout in. I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 1 p.m. I don't know what's happening with this light. Okay. Lighting is just like really weird. I put it on auto now. Guys, I'm still figuring it out. It's been a while. I want to get a little workout in before I eat lunch, and it's 1 p.m., which I feel like I'm doing really good on time in terms of work today. I got some stuff done. Filmed that. Okay, basically all I have to do is work out. I have like my little to-do list. I need to work out, do a form workout or some type of like Pilates, pick up my packages, and then my girlfriend comes over tonight. We're having like a little like catch-up session because I haven't seen her in a few weeks. So that's the plan. I'm gonna get out my little walking pad. This is like my favorite thing ever. This is a new purchase. I think as of 2 months. I got it off of Amazon, and it's so great if you work from home or you just want to be more active. This is such a good way for me to answer emails or watch a show or whatever. I just put it in front of my closet, and I use the closet kind of like a standing desk. So I'll show you the whole setup. Usually I would not work out with makeup on, but I was filming, so we're just gonna roll with it. Kind of the OOTD for working out. This top is Fiore. I've had this for a while. Pants are CSB. They're like my favorite leggings. Super flattering. I just have this little sweater on over from Saison because it was cold earlier, but I'm not gonna wear this while I work out. Shoes are my APLs. I wear these for like walking, taking Beau on walks. Like they're just so comfortable. And then here is the walking pad. So I'm about to get on that. I'm gonna put on my Apple Watch so I can track my steps. I've been trying to get like 10,000 steps a day. One, just for like mental health, and also just like to be more healthy for the wedding. Like leading up to the wedding, I'm trying to get prepped way in advance. I had dinner with my girlfriends last night, and I didn't drink because I'm trying not to drink during the week as well. And they were like, wait, your wedding is not for like another 9 months. Like, why are you starting this process already? And I feel like for me personally, like it's easier for me to start earlier, because once you wait for too long for anything, it becomes harder, and it's almost like it feels forced when you have to like make it happen quickly, as opposed to like a gradual build up. Like I know the months leading up to the wedding, like 2 months out, I'll probably kick this into hyper gear, but I would rather get myself used to like working out, being more active, and just like minimizing alcohol now versus like cutting it out cold turkey 2 months before, or like trying to cut it out 2 months before when things are super stressful. So that is like a big tip if you have a wedding, if you're planning something or you're prepping for like something big. Try to start it before you actually do it, or like try to do little things here and there on a day-to-day basis versus like trying to do it immediately.